In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Microsoft Bookings calendar from your Bookings with Me dashboard. If you've created a meeting type that you don't need anymore, or your schedule has changed and you want to clean things up, removing that booking option is a good way to keep your calendar organized and avoid confusion. First, make sure you're signed in to your Microsoft account in your browser, then open your Bookings with Me dashboard. The easiest way to do this is usually through your Outlook calendar on the web. Once you're there, you should see a page with different meeting cards, each representing a specific type of meeting people can book with you. These might be things like one-on-one sessions, quick check-ins, consultations, or any custom meetings you've set up. Take a moment to scan through these cards and find the specific meeting card you want to remove. It's important to double check that you've picked the correct one, because deleting a meeting card will remove that option for anyone trying to book time with you in the future. Look at the meeting title, any description, and the duration to make sure it's the one you really want to delete. Once you've identified the right card, move your mouse to the corner of that card. You should see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. This is where Microsoft groups extra actions and settings, so the main card stays clean and simple. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, a small menu will open with a few different choices related to that meeting type. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete. It might appear alongside options like Edit or Duplicate, but you want the one that clearly says Delete. Go ahead and click Delete. In many cases, Microsoft will show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove this meeting card. This is a safeguard so you don't accidentally delete something important. If you see that confirmation message, read it quickly to be sure it's referencing the correct meeting, then confirm that you want to proceed. After you confirm, the meeting card will disappear from your Bookings with Me dashboard. That means people will no longer see this option when they visit your booking page, and they won't be able to schedule new meetings of that type. Any existing meetings that were already booked using that card may still appear on your calendar, depending on your organization's settings, so you'll still want to review your calendar for anything you might need to reschedule or cancel manually. If the card still appears after a moment, try refreshing the page to make sure the change has taken effect. Sometimes it takes a short moment for the dashboard to update. That's all there is to it. You've opened your Bookings with Me dashboard, found the meeting card you no longer need, used the 3-dot menu to access more options, and selected Delete to remove it. This simple process helps keep your booking page clean, relevant, and easier for others to use.